So today this is what I'm going to show you. So I'm going to show you everything symmetries and how to do it to learn and get something like this. So every single thing I just put into this image, I'm going to show you how to learn and to just get it exactly the same thing. So I'm going to show you how to use camera raw filter, how to get the process and make everything look so exactly what you just want to just get from this image. So first is this my basic this is the color tools, and again here, so I'm going to start from I prefer to start from color mixer, and I'll turn this HSL to the color to arrange it like this so that I can get what I just need. So I'm going to start from the red and just increase the saturation, but when you're just working on it, make sure you just take it and make it look so more attractive and interesting for people to just feel the image you're just working on. So I'm going to turn this luminance to around down here. Okay, so this one is going to be 64, and the red is, I'm going to increase it to be around 62. Okay, so I don't think we just want to change this, but let's just make it into around 11 here. Okay, then we move to the orange. So the orange, so orange is going to, it's going to affect the skin and going to pop the skin tone up. So we're going to increase the saturation to where we just want it to be. So I think here is cool. 67 is cool, and I'm not going to allow it to be here. Let me say it to be around the side. Okay, let me say 10. Okay, so I think 10 is cool, so I'm going to bring this one luminous to around 21. Okay, so let's see how it just look. Okay, before and after. So when it, I'm going to just move the yellow, and let's just increase it. Okay, so it's going to affect your check. There's a lot of thing over there, so I'm going to make it to plus 80. Okay, plus 80. Okay, and I'm going to make sure this one is going to be around 26. Okay, so let's just move to the green. Okay, you see green is this affecting the side, the chair she was just sitting on. So I'm going to just increase this and take the luminous to around here, and let's see how it's going to have it. So this here is going to be around 53, 38 and 26 to be around here, 29 to be around here. And let's just move to the next step. So this one is going to bring it out, and I'm going to change this and see which is just fitting it and getting it right. So, okay, so I think this one is not bad. Okay, so I'm going to choose the green, so the hue the green to 64 around here, and let's move to the blue. So let's see what is going to affect it. So I think here there's nothing over there, so, and let's try this. Okay, there's nothing over there, and this too. Let's see. Okay, so this is how I used to just check and see how it just affecting the image, and then give you everything we just need right. So when you're done with it, just move to the basic. So when you get there, make sure you're going to control this. So I'm going to take the contrast to be around 30 plus 36, and I'm going to make the highlight to be around let's say around 35. Okay, because of here is too bright and we can't find it well. So here is going to be around let's say 10. Okay, and let's take the whites around here and make the black more around 35. Okay, so let's check the before and after. Okay, so I think we just get what we just need right now, but there's something I need to add to it. So I'm going to move to the temperature and take this temperature to, okay, let's say plus 3. Okay, plus 3 is not bad. Okay, so when it gets to the plus 3, make sure you just turn this Okay, I think here is cool and here too is cool, so I'm going to make it around this side. Okay, I'm going to make it around this side. Okay, like two, and I'm going to move to color mixer, and I'm going to make sure I'm going to increase this a little bit, and I'm going to turn this to here because I just want to get the skin tone well. Okay, so when you're done with it, that's not all. We will just move to the curve. So the curve is here. I'm going to control here the whites. Okay, so I'm going to turn the whites around +6, and I'm going to make this dark to be around 8, and the shadow, okay, I'm going to make it a shadow 5. Okay, so let's see how it's just affected, and I think it is so cool. So when you're done with it, that's no, then we save it. So we're gonna hit OK. Okay, so I'm having the same image here. So the only thing I'm going to do is just going to move to filter camera raw, and we click on it. So it's going to affect it because we have it already. Okay, so let's see, let me take this one back like this. Okay, and let me just duplicate Ctrl J. Okay, so I can add it to it. I'll get what I just things are just going on. So let's see, here's going to show you us the before and after to get it. So I don't like how the face and the face just look like, so I'm going to highlight like this and hold shift. So when you're done with it like this, okay, when you second, we'll hold the shift and second them all. Then we hit Ctrl J to cut it. So when you cut it, you're going to get something like this. Okay, so you're going to work on it. So I'm going to move to image and adjustments, and move to hue and saturation, and move to the master, and move to the yellow. So I think this is something of it. So I'm going to take this one. Okay, it's something cool, but I'm going to take this saturation down here, and I'm going to increase the lightness, okay, to pop the teeth and the eye to come out like this. So when we're done with it, just hit OK, and let's see before and after, before and after. So when you're done with it, make sure you add it together. Control E, okay, to get this. Okay, so this is my favorite part, and there's the body. I'm going to touch a little things about it. So when you duplicate it, Ctrl J, or you can make any shortcut here. I have previous videos you can watch and see how I mean put it on this. So when you just done with this, I'm going just make sure you move to the jot tool, and I'm going to increase it. Okay, when you're done with it, make sure this version is going to be let's just make it 80. Okay, when you're making it 80, just making it work like this. Okay, so there's no plugin I'm going to use, but I'm going to show you how to use this. Okay, so I'm going to take it like this. So I'm going to bring everything out like this. Okay, and change this here to bright it. Okay, so when you're done with this side, make sure you choose the body color and move to brush and color replacements, and increase it. So when you increase it to like this, move to here and move the hardness to 0. And sorry, I think I made a mistake. Okay, so I'm going to choose here. Make sure you choose some way going to affect as well. Okay, so have you seen it? So I'm going to take it like this. I'm just changing something about the body color a little bit. So when you're done with it like this, make sure you just cover here too, but just be careful. Sometimes it can just affect some one or two things. Okay, so this is how I used to work with it all the time. Okay, So have you seen it? So let's see it before and after. So when we're done with it, this turn this one a little bit down, like 80. Okay, so let's make it 80 or 82 is not bad. Then we change the whites. Okay, this white here, we're going to change the white to yellow like this, but let's make it to cool like this. Then we will move to here and move to gradients. So we're not going to add it like this. We're going to turn this gradients side like this. Okay, go to the style and change it to this one, and when you're done with it, just bring it into the side. Okay, and hit it. Okay, so when you're done with this, just change this one to black and hit OK, and move to the same place again and click OK. And let's change the reverse and move to there again. So when we move to there, make sure you're going to increase the scale to some cool like this, so it just affected see the top and down. Okay, so that's it. So I'm going to group them. Okay, Control Gen, and let's see before and after. Let's see after. Okay, so that's it. So today's different thing I just I'm gonna show you today. So guys, make sure you just get this and learn. And I mean, if there's anything, let me just know in my comment section. Okay, so there's something cool. Sorry, okay, so that's it. So guys, before we're done with this, okay, let's just be together and say something. Okay, so before and after, it's okay. So guys, see you for the next video. Bye. By the way, I'm awake. Bye.